Okay, now next options is features of Microsoft Access. Okay, what are the features of Microsoft Access? Access facilitates sharing of data. Different users can use the same database to extract data according to their needs. We can extract data easily with Access. Access also provides data security feature. We can secure our database with password and all features and maintain integrity, which is useful to make your data more consistent and reliable. Access also provides the facility to create data forms so that the user can enter the required information in the respective fields. It also reduces data entry errors. Queries also help to get information on a specific topic from the information stored in the database. And reports allow you to present the data in a meaningful and summarized manner. .accd is the standard file name extension for database in Access 2010. Okay students, now we have done page number 26, 27 and 28. And next topic, components of Access, we will do in our next class. Okay, please watch this video again and carefully and revise all the points. And now I will give you some homework. Open page number 31. Okay student, this I will send you this worksheet. Exercise A, B and C you have to do. This is your copy and in book also. Open page number 31. First exercise, fill in the blanks. A dash is an organized way of storing information. This answer is database. All the columns in a table are called fields. Number 3, a dash contains the value of all the fields that belong to a single person or an entity. Answer is record. Dash are used to display the selected data in a printable form. Answer is reports. Dash helps to get information on a specific topic from the information stored in the database. Answer is queries. These 5 fill-up is from your book, and now I will give you some extra fill-ups. Number 6, dash is the most popular and powerful RDBMS that is used to organize and manipulate data. Answer is Microsoft Access. Number 7, dash are the building blocks of a database. It is tables. Number 8, dash displays the name of the object used in the database. It is navigation pane. DBMS stands for Database Management System. Number 10, databases are categorized as flat database and relational database. Okay, now move on to exercise B. State true or false. You can create a relationship between two tables by using common field. Yes, it is true. Tables, queries, reports and forms can be created in Microsoft Access. True. DBMS stands for Data and Business Management Software. It is false. Access provides many automated wizards that help in making a database. It is true. Access saves the table automatically after saving it once. Yes, it is also right. True. Next exercise, multiple choice question. That is an application software which is used to create, modify and extract data from a database. It is DBMS. You have to take here and write the correct answer. Dash is the standard file name extension for database in Access 2010. It is .accdb. Okay, number C is correct. Take the mark here. Number 3, dash are the user-friendly interface that facilitate the process of entering data in tables and queries. It is forms. Okay, take here. Dash collect the summarized data and data from one as more tables and queries and organize it in a printable form. Answer is report. Okay, you have to take here and write the report also here. Okay. Now we have done exercise A, B, C. Do it in your copy and be regular in your work. And in the next class we will do question answers of chapter 3. Okay, that's all for today's class. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourselves.